Hi, everybody. Today's interesting topic is if you have gained weight in hypothyroidism, how do you lose weight? Losing weight when hypothyroidism is present requires addressing both thyroid optimization and lifestyle factors. The core steps are to ensure thyroid hormone levels are properly treated, then implement a sustainable nutrition and activity based plan that supports metabolism and lean muscle. Key steps are confirm thyroid control. Work with your clinician to optimize thyroid hormone replacement, often levothyroxine, and monitor the thyroid stimulating hormone free T3 and free T4. Restored thyroid function helps normalize metabolism and can facilitate weight management. Regular follow ups are essential, especially during dose adjustments or changes in weight. Next, set realistic weight loss goals. A safe target is about zero point 0.5 to 1 kg per week, recognizing that the rate may be slower until thyroid balance is achieved. I recommend to lose 1 kg per month. Calorie reductions should be moderate to avoid fatigue and metabolic slowdown. Next, optimize diet quality. Focus on nutrient dense foods, plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and fiber rich foods to promote satiety and steady energy. See guidance emphasizing balanced macronutrients and inflammation reducing patterns. Avoid excessive refined sugars and highly processed items that can worsen inflammation and energy dips. Ensure iodine and selenium sufficiency as part of a thyroid supportive diet with overall dietary balance. Consult your clinician before taking high dose supplements. Next, build and preserve lean mass. Incorporate resistance training like weightlifting, body weight exercises to maintain or increase lean muscle, which boosts resting metabolic rate and supports fat loss. Pair with some aerobic activity like brisk walk or cycling for cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 2 to 3 days of strength work per week plus cardio most days if feasible. Next, manage portion sizes and meal timing. Eat regular meals with adequate protein to support muscle synthesis and satiety. Some individuals benefit from smaller, more frequent meals, but overall energy balance matters most. Track intake to ensure a sustainable deficit rather than crash dieting. Next, lifestyle factors that help prioritize sleep, stress management, and consistent physical activity. Make sure you're not sleep deprived. Sleep deprivation and chronic stress can affect appetite and hormones, potentially hindering weight loss. Mindful approaches and routine can support adherence. Next, consider medical evaluation if weight remains high. If weight loss remains difficult despite optimized thyroid treatment and lifestyle changes, revisit evaluation for other contributing factors like comorbidities, medications, sleep disorders, or nutritional adequacy. Additional guidance from an endocrinologist or a registered dietitian can provide personalized plans. I give you an example with a practical starter plan. Week 1 to 2 means first week, second week. Confirm the thyroid status with your clinician. Begin or optimize thyroid replacement as advised. Start a protein rich, fiber forward diet with moderate calories and no drastic reductions. Begin a simple 2 to 3 day resistance training routine. Next, weeks 3 to 8, third week to 8th week. Increase resistance training frequency to 3 days per week. Add 150 to 250 minutes per week of moderate cardio. Adjust calories based on progress and energy levels. Ensure that you have adequate sleep at least 7 to 9 hours. Next, ongoing week from ninth week onwards, monitor the weight changes, monitor your hunger, monitor your energy and mood, adjust macro balance if fatigue or cravings arise, maintain hydration, and consider fiber and micronutrient adequacy. What are the important caveats? Weight regain is common if thyroid function is not adequately controlled. Addressing the endocrine component is essential before expecting substantial weight loss from diet alone. Individual responses vary. A personalized plan, supervised by healthcare professionals like an endocrinologist or a registered dietitian, yields the best and safest outcomes in losing weight in hypothyroidism. Thank you. Please subscribe.